All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. Just a couple more things and then like one more order maybe tomorrow. So I will be done with the unboxings for a while because one, it's probably getting boring for you guys, but not for me because it's like Christmas every day. I'll do some installs later this week, so I'm super excited about that. So stay tuned. It'll be good once again. So let's go ahead and open some of these. This one is really exciting right here. Can't wait to open that one. And these ones should all be the same. So I bought 10 of these. So hopefully everything turned out right. I have my doubts just because this is a discontinued item, so hopefully this order turned out right. All right, guys, so here you have it. You have the Legacy bags. I've been looking for these for a while. They're pretty much sold out everywhere. So I got 10 of them, so if you guys need any, let me know. I'll ship them out to you at a decent price. Woo. Nice little care package. Very nice. Dang, these are crispy. These are like brand new. Mercy. Very nice. Cold to the touch. Man, these feel incredible. Oh, that could have been bad. These are like brand new, literally. I mean, there's some surface scratches on the front. But wow, these are really good condition. They're pretty much brand new. It doesn't look like they've ever been used. At least never been cut with, never blown up. I'll bring you over here for a closer look. A little more surface scratches than I thought right here. Basically just right there. Not too bad, but still in very, very, very good condition. Just the way that the chrome kind of gets a little bit scratched, but the handles are mint condition. Nothing wrong with the handles whatsoever. Pretty much brand new, as you can see right there. Same on the other side. Like I said, a little more surface scratches, but the teeth are perfect, and the jaws right here pretty much never used. The only thing right here, either some dirt in there or a little bit of brown coloring or surface rust in the very, very corner way down there. Not sure about that one, but good purchase and not too bad on price. So I think I lucked out I'm not sure how much these usually go for, but I think I got a pretty decent price for it. So anyways, super excited to add these to the collection, and I'm going to try to stop buying tools for a while and make some content with all the other stuff that I do have, so that will provide better videos for you guys instead of just unboxing, because I know some people out there don't want to see an unboxing every single day. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. As always, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you guys back in the next video. Check the description down below for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace.